Children, now let us start with the next question, that is 17th question. Okay. So by looking at this question, we can understand that this is from chapter KTC, kinetic theory of gases. How? So see children, here if you go through the question, it was given that translational kinetic energy of molecules. Okay. This is one information, and he has given the temperature and he is asking RMS, root mean square speed. Actually, root mean square speed is the term related to kinetic theory of gases, isn't it? So let me write down its formula first of all. So its formula is VRMS is equal to root over 3RT by M. Okay. Here R stands for universal gas constant, T stands for temperature, and M stands for molecular weight. So like this we are having. The question is like this: the temperature of a gas is minus 73 degrees Celsius initially. When the gas is heated to 527 degrees Celsius, so you are having two temperatures. Then RMS square speed of the molecules is doubled. He has given the answer, but we have to check it right. So he has given temperature and he is asking about the speed. So what I say is that from this formula, we can directly say that VRMS is equal proportional to root T. We could say like this. So VRMS in first case by VRMS in second case is equal to root over T1 by T2. We could write like this. So V1 is V1 only. Okay. Nothing is given there. Whereas coming to T1, he has given minus 73 degrees Celsius. So let us convert this into Kelvin. You have to do that in SI system. So T1 is equal to minus 73 degrees Celsius. So 73 degrees Celsius can be written as minus 73 degrees Celsius can be written as minus 73 plus 273 to convert this into Kelvin. So answer is 200. Okay. K. Whereas coming to T2, 527 degrees Celsius. So we have to convert this 527 degrees Celsius into Kelvin. That means you have to add 273. So if I add 273, what I am going to get here? So it is 800 Kelvin. So now we are having two temperatures, T1 and T2. Now let us substitute these two things. Okay. So T1 is 200, whereas T2 is 800. Okay. So by 4. So you'll get here root of 1 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. So V1 by V2 is equal to 1 by 2. From this, we could write it as V2 is equal to 2 times of V1. V2 is equal to 2 times of V1. It means that in second case, the speed has been double of the initial one. Speed has been double of the initial one. So that is what he is saying. RMS speed of the molecule is doubled, isn't it? RMS speed has been doubled. So root mean square speed of the molecule is doubled. So that is what is happening here. RMS root mean square speed is doubled. From this, what I can say is that the first statement is correct. Statement 1 is correct. Now we have to go through statement 2. Okay. So coming to statement 2. So what is asking? The product of pressure and volume will be equal to kinetic energy. That is what he is saying. Translational kinetic energy. So translational kinetic energy. So K is suffix T like this. So what is the formula for translational kinetic energy? It is 3 by 2 nR into T. 3 by 2 nRT. It is not just P into V. It is 3 by 2 times of nRT. Or you can say 3 by 2 times of PV. But here he mentioned that product of pressure and volume, PV. So here he mentioned that P into V is kinetic, translational kinetic energy. But it's not so, because if the 3 by 2 is missing, integer 3 by 2 is missing here. So since this is missing, I could not say that both the statement 2 is correct. So statement 2, what I have to say is that this is false. Statement 2 is false. Only statement 1 is correct. Okay, my dear children. So statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. From this, Option 2 is correct. Statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. I hope you understood this. Okay. So now I'll close this question and I go for the next one.